it's Miss Carla. Let's learn a new sound together. This is the letter V, and the letter V says V. It might tickle your bottom lip a little bit. Letter name, V. Letter sound, V. Can you practice saying it with me? V, V, V. And here is the capital V. V. Well done. Can you hear the V sound in these words? V for vet, v-et, vet. V for violin, an instrument you play. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. V for volcano. V-O-L-K-A-N-O, volcano. Wow, there's a lot of letters in that word. V for video. V-I-D-E-O, just like you're watching right now. Video. V for vine. Grapes grow on a vine. V-I-N, vine. And can you sound this one out with me? Van. V-A-N, van. Here we have the V sound in the middle of the word. Seven. S-E-V-E-N, seven. And can you think of any other words that have a V sound in them? What do you put flowers into? See how you go. How many V words can you think of? Let's learn how to write the letter V. It's very easy. We say down and up. Get your finger and we can write it in the air. Down and up. Let's practice some on paper. Get your pen. Down and up. Down and up. Superstar. Have a go at writing these 3 words. Use all the letters and sounds you already know. Vet. He took his dog to the vet. Vet. Van. She drove a van. Van. And vest. The little boy wore a vest. Vest. Vest is your challenge word today. Your 3 words are vet, van, and vest. Now I'm going to show you the answers, so make sure you finished writing those words. Vet, v-et, vet. Van, v-a-n, van. Vest, v-e-st, vest. Well done if you got that challenge word correct. Can you remember these sounds? On your marks, get set, go. G, O, O, J, B, K, R, K, I, M, D, A, S. And can you remember our brand new sound? Well done, everybody! You have learnt another sound. I'm so impressed. I'll see you next time. Bye!